It might be summer season, but it's been all go at BigChange HQ this August. More live in-person customer success events, webinars supporting the raising of over £75,000 for charity, and our first episodes of our BigChange podcast are now live. Hello and welcome to August's Big Community Newsletter. Let's jump right in. On the 6th and 7th of August, we held another fantastic customer success workshop right here at BigChange HQ in Leeds. The customers who attended were able to get personal attention from our BigChange experts, making sure they get the most out of their system. We had some amazing feedback from customers who attended. Here's what a few of them had to say.
BigChange has delivered what we expected it to do at the initial start of the project, and since then we've identified there are other areas we'd like to use it for, and there's also elements where we can add some more integration to control stock better.
It's been hugely beneficial. Being here, sitting, having a one-on-one with someone in particular has been incredible. Having that individual attention has been amazing.
The guys and girls that we've sat with, the knowledge that they have is just amazing. It is really good. They clearly know the product and they understand the product. They don't just know how to get from A to B. They understand why you get from there. It has been absolutely amazing. But just a hands-on approach that they've given us has been perfect.
If you'd like to watch the video in full, also click on the link below. You can join us on our next events, which are being held on the 3rd and 4th of September or the 8th and 9th of October. For further details or to register, email louise.stone@bigchange.com. BigChange Customer Cleanology raises over £75,000 for charity. Sadly, thousands of people in the UK live in hygiene poverty, which means they don't have access to the bare essentials that you and I take for granted. At BigChange, we are proud to support our customer Cleanology in the mission to raise much needed funds for charity, the Hygiene Bank. So far, over £75,000 has been raised, but that's not all. On the 9th of October, a fundraising event at the Hard Rock Cafe in London aims to raise that amount even higher. If you're in the FM and cleaning industry and want to get involved, click on the link below. Also, if there's any initiatives that your company is supporting that you want to give us a shout out to, leave a comment below and we'll see what we can do. This month's spotlight is on assured fire and security. Paul was finding that his old server-based system that lacked access on the move was preventing his business from providing efficient technical support to their growing customer base. By switching to BigChange, Paul and his team were able to compete with larger players in terms of professionalism, safety, and responsiveness. They don't just benefit from CRM, customizable job sheets, and reporting functionality, but they also make use of the automation, which when combined has resulted in significant increase in business growth. To read the success story in full, click on the link below. It's the podcast you've finally been waiting for, one catered just for you, Field Service Stories. It's the podcast where field service industry leaders tell you their story from startup to success and how they overcame the struggles in between. But that's not all. We host special guests who talk about topics that matter to you and your business growth. The first couple of episodes have gone live now. Links to these are below. They're currently available on YouTube only, but we're working hard to bring the audio-only versions to Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and other podcast apps as quickly as possible, so watch this space. Earlier this month, over 50 customers joined us for a YouTube premiere on templates, the feature everyone needs. In this feature-length webinar, Jamie and Joshua covered, in under 30 minutes, the feature that gives you the ability to create custom job cards, design bespoke financial documents, and email templates. It's well worth a watch on catch-up. Click on the link below. And that's a wrap for this month's Big Community Newsletter. Remember to hit the subscribe and bell buttons below to be notified when this content goes live. And if you like this video, why not give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment? Until next month, continue to be unstoppable.